Hello everyone, my name is Tim and I'm with danselectronics.com. Today I have our Anderic 99122 ceiling fan receiver remote control. Now this works 100% for the Hunter 99122 and 99123 3-speed ceiling fan receivers. It also operates the Downlights fan off, fan speed low, fan speed medium, and fan speed high. Just a note that this will work right out of the package, compatible with the Hunter ceiling fan models that I previously mentioned, but you also may need to do some pairing with this remote control to your receiver as well. If you have a question or would like to purchase this remote control on the phone, give us a call toll free at 1-855-553-6683 and our friendly staff will be glad to help you. Or as always, log on to danselectronics.com and you can make the order there.